Hello guys, welcome to the Vibes YouTube channel. Today I going to show you how to make a Bohemian style fairy vase. For this task I have collected three items. One is some collectives from the wood. These are some various kind of plant items, and you can take any kind of stuff you need to take from your garden or somewhere you can buy or you can collect, and I have painted them. As well, I have added a transparent glass vase and fairy light. So fairy light you can order from eBay or most of the online website you can order it. Okay, let's get started the work.